Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to set up and connect the NARWAL Freo with the NARWAL Freo app. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. First thing we have to do is download the NARWAL Freo app. It's a free app available for iOS and Android devices. Once you have it downloaded, you'll be prompted to sign in or create an account. Once you do, you'll be at this main home screen here where we can view our devices. So you'll notice we already have the Freo X Ultra set up, but today we want to set up our regular NARWAL Freo. So on the main screen, we can swipe over. You'll probably just see something similar to this where it just says add a device if you don't already have any devices set up. So we want to hit that plus icon. And then we have different products to choose from. So in this case, just the regular NARWAL Freo. We're going to select that one. We're going to agree. Now it's ready for network configuration, so make sure you have it placed in the station with strong Wi-Fi, which we do, so we're going to select next. Next, we're taken to this screen where we need to connect to a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network, so make sure you're connected to your 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. Enter your password, then select next. Now it's going to work on connecting to the device. Just got a voice prompt. The network was connected successfully and everything checked off the list right here. That took less than a minute, closer to about 30 seconds. Now we'll select complete. And now we're back at our main setup screen here, but now we can swipe and we have our Freo device set up as well. So we got the X Ultra and our NARWAL Freo set up right there. Super simple and straightforward. That's all there is. That's all you have to do to get it set up. And once it's set up, now you're free to connect and enter into the device. So we can select the big enter button there. And now we're prompted to our initial setup steps like creating a map. There's actually one more step before you can begin mapping. It'll prompt you to activate the unit. So you'll go to the station. On the screen, there's a QR code you can scan to get a code that then you manually enter on the unit. Then it walks you through a couple of the device settings. After that, now you're free to go back into the app, hit start mapping, and continue on with your cleaning process.